Hello, everybody. Hello. It's Daryl of Business Credit Works. Just jumping on to tell you about one of our core programs that's just crazy. It is crazy. Did you know that you can qualify for up to $150,000 in 0% interest corporate credit cards? That's it. MasterCard and Visas. 0% interest up to 18 months. It's one of our core programs here at Business Credit Works, and wanted to come on and tell you guys about this program. And it's amazing. It is amazing program. It's like a no doc program. We don't care about time in business, no business plans, no financials, none of that. It is 0% interest corporate credit cards. It's called a hybrid program, but I really just call it our fast track. So for those of you who have a strong personal credit score of 680 or higher, tri-merge, all three, what we do is we can leverage your strong personal credit score to fast track you or jumpstart you building business credit. All of those MasterCard and Visas only for this program are they're going to come with 0% interest, some up to 18 months. This is a phenomenal program that is designed to jumpstart your business credit profile and scores because these credit cards also report to the credit bureaus. So not only are you getting a corporate credit card at 0% interest, you're also going to be able to report it to the bureaus. It's going to report for you. So you can build your Experian, your Equifax, or your DNB credit score while you've got those corporate credit cards. Let me tell you something too. If you guys haven't thought about it, those corporate credit cards, the rewards, the cash rewards, the travel miles, as your company is spending 10, 20, $30,000 on credit cards, you've got benefits from all those different credit cards, from, like I said, the cash rewards to the airline miles to any promotional offers that that credit card has available. So I've got a video I'm going to share with you guys, and please let me know if you can hear it. But this video goes over the program. You can also find this video on our website, businesscreditworks.com. Okay, this also on our website, businesscreditworks.com. So this is our, what I call our fast track program. It is unsecured credit cards, 0% interest up to $150,000. Oh, let me also say, and the video will say it too, you can have a partner, meaning if you do not have the credit score 680 or higher, you in essence can have a credit partner. Okay, so if they meet the guidelines, a 680 credit score or higher, and of course there's some more guidelines, but that's going to be the first thing we're going to look at, and that's through a soft credit pull on top of that. So what I tell my clients when I'm talking to about this program is, it doesn't cost anything for you to take a brief application, get you logged into our back office with our team. What they will do is give you a call, go over the program guidelines, and they'll send you an email out with all the guidelines on it, along with a link for you to do a soft credit pull. Okay, based on that soft credit pull, it's sent to the underwriting department. We can come back and tell you what you're approved for. It'll come back one of two ways, I should say. Approved for, say, $50,000 in corporate credit, or approved with conditions. So one of the conditions might be if you're carrying more than 30% on your MasterCard, for example. They'll tell you what MasterCard or what Visa to pay it down to this amount to qualify for whatever amount that you can qualify for. But they will tell you right on the approval letter, you're approved for $50,000 with these conditions. Pay down your Visa credit card ending in 1234 to this amount. Pay down your Bank of America credit card to this amount. They will map exactly the steps you need to take for you to then qualify for the up to 150,000 in corporate credit cards. It's a no-brainer. If you've got the good credit or you know someone who has the good strong personal credit file to get those EIN corporate credit cards, okay? We'll make that clear. They're only using their good, strong personal credit card and their credit limit, their credit report to qualify for this program. Let me say that again. I want to be clear. You're only using your strong personal credit score of 680 or higher to qualify for up to $150,000 in business EIN credit cards, not your personal credit score credit cards, your company. Okay. And if you have a credit partner, so if you do not have that credit score and those guidelines, you can have a credit partner who does have those guidelines and meet those requirements. They can go through the program to get those corporate credit cards for your company. Okay. So I'm going to play this video. Please let me know if you can hear it. You should be able to hear it, but this video can be found on our website also. So let's see if I hit play. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Take a look at it.
Cards are perfect for a startup business or franchise or a business that does not want to provide financials. You can be approved for as much as $150,000 in unsecured credit cards for your business based solely on your personal credit quality. This program is as close to no doc funding that you can truly get. Your business can obtain up to a credit line of $150,000 that can be used for any purpose you desire. You can use your credit line for marketing and advertising, purchasing inventory and equipment, paying utilities, even paying payroll. And you don't need to have any business assets or collateral to qualify. Plus, you can add credit partners and get approved for even more money. Approvals typically offer a low interest rate intro period where rates are as low as 0% for the first 6 to 12 months. After your initial intro period, rates are typically 5 to 25% based risk. Plus, your new credit line reports to the business credit reporting agencies, helping you build your business credit profile and score. Approval amounts range from $10,000 to $150,000. The exact approval amount in large part is determined by the existing limits on your credit cards now. You can be approved and have full access to your new credit line within 2 to 3 weeks. There is no upfront application fee. Lenders will include at least an 8% success-based funding fee due to the risk of this no-doc program. All you need to qualify is very good personal credit. Your credit score should be at least 680 or higher with only a few inquiries showing on your report. And you shouldn't have any derogatory credit marks on your personal credit report within the last 12 months to be approved, including no active judgments or collections in unpaid status and no bankruptcies reporting. You should have open accounts reporting on your personal credit report now to be approved. Lenders will want to see that you have an open credit card with at least a $3,000 high credit limit and an auto loan or mortgage. If you don't have an auto loan or mortgage on a report now, lenders will want to see 2 open credit cards with limits of $3,000 or higher. The balances on your existing credit cards should not exceed 50% of their limits for approval. To be approved, lenders will also want to see that your business is listed in 411. You can qualify for between $10,000 and $150,000 in financing with our unsecured business credit cards. You won't need to show financials, and this program is as close to no doc funding that you can truly get, making it perfect for startup businesses and those that don't want to show financials. Contact us today to get approved.
Hey, everybody. Hey, Mr. Bias. As my score mentor, he's killing it. He's in real estate now. You were just ebbing and flowing. I love it. But is this program crazy or what? If you can leverage your personal credit to jumpstart your business credit and get 0% interest credit cards, it's a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer. And I jokingly say, no one's ever died from having good credit. Okay, no one's ever died or from having good credit, personal or business. But this is an excellent program. If you have that credit score and meet those qualifications, you can jumpstart your business credit building program, and you can have up to 150K in corporate credit. What would that do? As my sign says here, if you had $100,000 marketing, buying more products, buying more services, buying inventory, investing, you name it. You name it. You got those corporate credit cards, 0% interest. You start using them right away. And actually, once you go through the program, you're already going to have mapped out when you get them, how you're going to move, how you're going to use them. Don't wait until you get the cards and then figure out what you're going to move. Because remember, all of them will have different resets, time periods of that 0% interest introductory offer. And when you're approved, they will map all of that out for you, meaning this corporate credit card resets this day and this day. This corporate credit card resets this day. You'll have the roadmap right in front of you on how to move once you get those corporate credit cards, okay? And remember, you can have a credit partner. So if you do not meet the guidelines, 680 credit score, no open collections, no judgments, bankruptcies, you don't meet those guidelines, you can have a credit partner. Okay? You can have a credit partner where you can piggyback off their good personal credit score to qualify for the 0% interest corporate credit cards. So I jokingly say, okay, you get your mama, you get your grandpa, you get your aunt, the uncle with the good credit. You know the ones, they pay their bills on time. They've got that season, that longevity, history, credit file. That's going to make you qualify for more. So as I said, you can have a credit partner. I'm joking about that, but I'm not joking about that because it is a strategic move if you have the person that can meet those qualifications. It's going to jumpstart your legacy for your family. So this is when we need to come together and families need to work together to help those ones that are out there being the number one, being the first one to open their business and open this whole new lane for the family to be able to help. It's like I might not have cash to help, but I have good credit. I can help you that way, son, daughter, cousin, brother. And those credit cards are in the EIN number. So they're not going to be on a social security number. Okay, guys? And give me a call. Go on the website, businesscreditworks.com, schedule an appointment. We've got our reps available to talk with you more about the different programs and options. But this one is a no brainer. If you've got the credit score or you know someone that has it, this is when we need to come together and support the first one in the family opening their businesses and scaling and growing. And you see them doing all the right things, and they just need that extra support. As I said, you might not write a check to help them, but you can leverage your good personal credit score to help your son or daughter on their track and their journey to what has been put in them for a business to create other legacies for other families. All right. So just wanted to come on and share with you guys today about this phenomenal program. It's a core program that we have at Business Credit Works to jumpstart your business credit building. Our 0% interest corporate credit cards are the hybrid program, the 0% down program, the fast track program. I call it a lot of different names, but one thing I say, I call it, it works. Okay, it just works and it just makes sense. All right, signing off. Daryl at Business Credit Works. Check it out. Check out the website, businesscreditworks.com, and we're looking forward to helping you. Okay, thank you.